Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Focus logo. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a heat gun or a hairdryer to gently warm the old emblem, making the adhesive easier to work with. Also, grab some plastic pry tools or a small flathead screwdriver, carefully wrapped in a cloth to protect your paint. Don't forget adhesive remover and a clean cloth, plus your brand new Ford Focus emblem. Now let's get that old emblem off. Start by applying gentle, even heat to the emblem for about 1 minute, being careful not to overheat the paint. Once warm, carefully insert a plastic pry tool or your wrapped screwdriver under one edge. Slowly work the tool around the emblem, using a gentle sawing motion to separate the adhesive. With patience, the emblem will come off without damaging your vehicle's finish. With the old emblem removed, it's crucial to prepare the surface for the new one. You'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply an automotive adhesive remover to a clean, soft cloth and gently rub the area. Work carefully to remove all traces of old glue, ensuring the surface is perfectly clean and smooth. A spotless surface guarantees optimal adhesion for your new emblem. Finally, it's time to install your shiny new Ford Focus logo. Peel the protective backing from the new emblem's adhesive. Carefully align it with the existing indentations or mounting points on your vehicle. Once aligned, press the emblem down firmly and evenly across its entire surface for at least 60 seconds. This ensures a strong bond. For best results, avoid washing your car for 24 to 48 hours, allowing the adhesive to fully cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.